December 17th again, 2024. It's about 10:30 p.m. approximately. And we've had a serious flood. It stinks, very septic kind of odor here. Guessing that this was their toilet that they clogged again and decided to flush when all the contents are up at the bowl. So, sorry. It's quite a panicked situation here. We have a lot of water. See that? And a lot of water on the floor again. I just finished bleaching, cleaning everything a few days ago. Look at this disgusting water, and it stinks. Got into my laundry room as well, so it really stinks. Show you it in the laundry room. Hold on. So here's the results in the laundry room. Yeah, my camera work is really crappy right now, and so is the narration, because I'm just so severely anxiety-stricken by this. This has gone on for months, and there's no signs of stopping. This has got to come to a conclusion, this crap. I'm awfully bloody tired of this nonsense. How much more can one person take? I'm going to check on the bathroom again. Yep, so on it goes. On it goes. These people need to stay away from plumbing fixtures because clearly they can't handle them with any competency or safety. This is beyond ridiculous. I'm at a loss for words, folks. Like, this is beyond the pale. Beyond the pale. I guess they're determined to destroy my home, and the whole landlord and tenant board and the system here, it aids and abets it. So that's how it goes.